Hey guys, Sundar here from C4E Tech. In today's video, let's unbox Samsung's latest budget offering, the On7 Prime. The On series seems to have caught the fancy of shoppers over the past couple of years, so Samsung is back again this year with a slightly revamped version, the On7 Prime. But before we begin, we have a giveaway running for you guys, check it out. And if you end up liking this video, drop us a like, get subscribed and click on that bell icon to become part of our notification squad. We have got the box here. Some basic specifications can be found to the back. Let's open it up. We've got the phone itself. Let's keep it aside for the moment and dig further in. Some reading material. Yeah, I know what you're waiting for, the SAR value. We also have the SIM ejector pin. Almost forgot about it for a moment there. Then we have the travel adapter. It's a 5V 1.55 amps adapter that can be used to charge this 3300 mAh lithium-ion battery using this micro USB cable. Coming back to the phone itself, turning it on, there you have it, the On7 Prime logo. Let's now look at the placements. To the front, on top, there's a earpiece, sensors, a 13 megapixel F1.9 front-facing camera, the Samsung branding, a 5.5-inch Full HD TFT display, and below that we can find the physical home key, which also contains the fingerprint sensor with two capacitive keys that are not backlit. At least this is an active sensor that can wake the device up from sleep. To the back, we have a 13 megapixel F1.9 camera with a single LED flash and another Samsung branding. Up top, there's nothing. We can find the power button to the right along with the speaker. To the bottom, there's the primary microphone, a micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The volume rockers can be found to the left, and then we have the dual SIM card slots along with the micro SD card slot. Cool. The phone feels ergonomic with rounded edges, a metal unibody design and 8mm thickness. It weighs in at 170 grams, which is probably why there is a good heft that leads to the great in-hand feel. That being said, this is definitely a phone you need to use with both hands. Anyway, let's now look at what's underneath the hood. The On7 Prime is powered by the same Exynos 7870 octa-core chipset that's found in a host of Samsung's own mid-ranges from the previous year, like the J7, J5 and A3. The GPU is again the same Mali T830 MP2 found in those phones. There's 3 and 4 gigs of RAM and 32 or 64 gigs of onboard storage. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, there is a dedicated slot for micro SD card, so you can expand the storage up to 256 GB. All of this is powered by a 3300 mAh battery. The performance should be good with day-to-day tasks, and while the chip is a year old now, it does still manage to score pretty decent numbers. While I'm somewhat okay with the older gen chip being reused, what I can't justify in any way is the fact that Samsung slayed so many sensors. It's 2018 and we still have phones being released without an ambient light sensor or a compass. What's happening? Anyway, with that, let's talk software. The On7 Prime runs on Samsung Experience 8.5 built on top of Android 7 Nougat. We've seen this UI on a lot of Samsung mid-ranges now. As far as features go, there is a stunted version of Samsung Pay available here, called Samsung Pay Mini. It can handle UPI and mobile wallet transactions, but the actual USP, being able to replace your credit or debit card, well, you don't have that here. Bixby is also present and there's Samsung Mall present in there. Let's jump into the camera to see how the feature works. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you have the Samsung Mall feature. Click on it and take a photo, and the phone uses Bixby Vision to figure out what you're pointing it towards. It even managed to recognize these shades and then gives you a variety of options that you can order online. Neat. Moving on, there's a Pro mode with minimal manual controls. The shutter response is quite fast. The pictures themselves are, well, you be the judge. Here are a few pictures we quickly shot around the studio. Let us know in the comments below if you happen to like them. The On7 Prime starts from 12,990 rupees for the 332 variant, and the higher end variant is priced at 14,990 rupees and is available exclusively from Amazon.in in black and gold variants. Would you buy this phone at this price? Especially considering this is such a slight revamp. Same chipset from last year and it is stuck on Android Nougat. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If someone you know wants to buy a Samsung device in this price range, then please share this video with them. So that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to C4E Tech for more videos like this. Also do this to make sure you get notified each time a video goes live on the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Sundar from C4E Tech, leaving for the moment. You guys have a great day.